Have you ever found yourself cringing when a contractor tells you how much something would be to replace inside your home or to repair? This video, I'm going to explain to you how to put that madness to rest. Yes, there is a way to systematically bid every single repair in your home from the convenience of your home. And I'm not talking about angieslist.com, RepairPal, or any of the rest. I'm talking about a fundamental information that I think everyone should know. So most homes in America are regulated by the insurance agencies, which means that most people have insurance on their home. It's hazard insurance on the home. Well, the insurance company has to have a standard cost to replace items that they can use to create the cost of the insurance. So when an event happens, such as a flood, a car wrecking into the side of your home, or any other millions of things that can go wrong in a home to which you would file an insurance claim, the insurance adjuster will go out to the site and he will collect the data of everything that's been damaged. He'll take photos, he'll measure, and then most likely he's going to put it into a software. The most common software is called Xactimate. And the reason why Xactimate is really popular is because it has the most accurate pricing list. What do I mean by pricing list? Pricing list is a survey that's done typically at least every quarter, if not every month, a survey of usually 20 to 30,000 service industries on where their average pricing is. Has it changed on hundreds of metrics? And then it goes into a system that then prices a retail labor price based off of a known database of how many hours each individual item in that home would take to repair. The time usually stays the same. The only thing that's changing month to month is the price of the good and the price of the labor. Therefore, it's relatively easy once the database is loaded to update every single month. Now, Xactimate is $200+ per month. But guess what? You don't have to use Xactimate. I'm going to show you a free website you can use today, and that's exactly what we use every day, to estimate the amount the repair is going to cost inside your home. And you can use this information to then negotiate with your contractor to do the repairs. So let's jump in with the screen share. This is homewise.com. Once you load the site, you're going to see the advertisement, and just thank God for the advertisement because that's ultimately what's making this free. You're going to go over to install if you want something installed in your home. And we're going to pick something like, let's do a good example of a bathtub install. So I'm going to do rough plumbing, and I'm going to do install bathtub. This is going to give me, make sure the zip code is correct. So this is the zip code that I've got in there, which is in Southwest Oklahoma City. Really just the region is what it's looking for, but you want to make sure the zip code's correct. And this is going to outline, just like a mechanic working on your car, it's going to be 5.5 hours estimated bathtub installation based off of the current labor. You've got a low and you've got a high. Same thing with the bathtub cost. You've got a low and a high. And what I like to do is I can quickly verify that information by going over to some place like homedepot.com. Let's do that real quick just for this example. I'm going to go to Home Depot. Now, you want to make sure that you look really close and find out what type of bathtub it is. In this case, it's a cast iron bathtub. So you want to make sure you're searching for the same quality product. So cast iron bathtub. And I'm looking over here. Now, remember, HomeWise estimate was about $600. And I'm looking here and I'm seeing this, there's a cast iron here for $748. Here's another one, $599. same quality. Now, I know this bathtub is cast iron, but it's hard to tell. You go through the description and it's going to say cast iron enamel coated. And now I go back here, it's right in line with the pricing. So if I can beat the parts, I can beat the parts. And now it just comes down to the labor. And I know, okay, I got to remove the bathtub here. And there might be some specifics to your job site that you need to be aware of, like they may have to, remove the door to get into there or other things. So be advised that it's not an end all for everything. But what it is a good negotiating starting point. My company typically starts out with the low number, and our guys, which are on staff maintenance, we try to beat that low number. So I know the insurance company low bid, in this case, it's not an insurance deal. It's just a home repair for maybe a tenant that's got a leaky faucet. But I know the low bid for the insurance is going to pay this. And what that prevents is us from having to go through and get 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different bids from different companies that are all making the number up really off the top of their head. And most cases, they're coming in way above those numbers. So here we are. We want to start off with the low number and then give them the estimate even lower than that and see if they'll do it below. And that's how, when you're working with us, you're getting a good price because you're paying below the insurance repair cost of the product. It enables us to be faster to the job, make the tenant happy faster. So that's the difference right there by using the pricing list model. Again, surveyed over 20 to 40,000 service companies every single month, coming up with a retail price for the labor, and then you're trying to beat that labor quote. And that's how we can scientifically remodel a home just like the corporations do at a small local level. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And as always, if you got any questions, feel free to contact me on the website at oklahomarealestateshow.com.